There are two ways to reset your Ledger Nano S Plus, but before you begin, I just want to give you a heads up. Resetting your Ledger Nano will erase everything, your private keys, your apps, your settings, and after the reset, you can set it up as a new wallet or restore your 24-word recovery phrase. But please note that if you don't have your recovery phrase, you'll lose your private keys and crypto forever. Method 1. If you still have your PIN, unlock your Ledger device by entering your PIN code. Hold both buttons down for 3 seconds to open the control center. Now go to Settings and choose Security on the right. Press both buttons to validate. Choose Reset Device by pressing both buttons. Reset Device. Now you just have to read the warning and then keep pressing right one more time. And now press both buttons to reset the device. Enter the PIN to confirm. Et voila. Now it's fully reset. So method 2, if you lost or forgot your PIN, turn on your Ledger device by connecting it to a USB cable. Enter the correct PIN 3 times in a row. One attempt left. Restart the device. And that's it. It's factory reset now.